Welcome everybody, here is how we screenshot on the Google Pixel 9. So the first way is with the key combination. On the right hand side of your phone, we have the power button and the volume down. And so we need to click and release both power and volume down. So click and release firmly, click release, and you can see it's going to take that screenshot. So one more time, I'll get my fingers ready. 3, 2, 1, click release. Click and release these two buttons with a lot of force at the same time, and then the screenshot will be taken. If you're having struggles trying to do this key combination, maybe it's sleeping the phone or you just can't get it to work, then instead we're going to open the app where we want that screenshot to be taken. We will then head to our multitasking, and then we have this screenshot button right here. And when we tap the screenshot button, that's going to take a screenshot without us having to press any of the buttons. And all of your screenshots are saved in Google Photos under the collections and then screenshots. And there they are.